Hey there, folks. Time to do a retro CSS battle. This is one that I had trouble with. There was trouble on the back end on this one. Submitting simply failed for me. Whether that's me or the CSS Battle servers, I don't know. But let's go for it. I'm going to use the nested template and set the background of the HTML element, in this case the ampersand, to the dark green. And then I think what I feel today, conic is a conic gradient with 4 colors. It's this bright color for half of it, 180 degrees of it, and then it's this middle green, 0, and then it's 0 to 75%, so to 270 degrees, and then the last is transparent to let the dark green through. So that's the shape. Why does this work? Why will it work? Why am I doing it this way? Oh, and then also I need to set the margin so that I'm actually dealing with the right thing. 50, 60, 70, 71, 72. Okay. So that's the shape. By changing the center of it, so right now it's at 50%, 50%, right? We could move the center of that. We can make it be less tall. 4, 3, 2, 1. So you see that? Kind of nice. Like, that's really nice. And it's more that way, 7. Then if I put it in the top corner with a 0, 0, and I give it a width, then I have it repeating. Now, I want it to be, if I set it no repeat, we can really see what's going on. And that's a little bit easier to deal with. So let's make it wider to make it the correct width. 2, 1, 4, 5, 150 wide. And what that's telling me is this center, so that's what we got now. This center is a little too far over, making it 60. 60 is correct. Looks correct. And then we're not tall enough. How about 2, 1, 60, 70, 80. And then this percentage, it's 11% tall. So then when I let it repeat, there's my thing. Now, I'm seeing a little line here at the bottom, which means probably that 11% is no good. So let's submit to the back end, and we'll cross our fingers that the result is right. I was trying it with some other results earlier, and it was working. So, hey, that worked. So that's great. Nothing else to really be done there. A reminder that the nested template doesn't work properly in Firefox. Don't have a solve for that. Chrome and Safari are okay. I like it because it's terse, but one could use, so I'm going to minify and unit replace, plunk, plunk, and then submit for a final score on this guy. And there it is. So, but I could also do the same thing, create an element, paragraph element, and then still do nested, but then do a P tag there. I'm going to unset the margins there. And then if I move the nestedness out and give this a height, and that works. But then I also need to give it a margin. Margin 40, 50 or something. I can't remember the numbers now. What are you going to do? 40, 50, and then 60, 70, 72. And then we need to be taller. 200. So that's essentially the same thing. Same technique. I mean, it's very different, but it's also using the same CSS. We're just reorganizing it a little bit, but the score is very similar too, and that would work in Firefox fine. All right, so yeah, a very straightforward. Actually, that's actually bothering me. See that? See that line at the bottom? That vertical line. I don't know why I'm not leaving well enough alone, but 20 pixels, probably a little more reliable. There's just a little hairline. You might not even be able to see it very well on a YouTube video, but it bothered me. So let's resubmit. And voila. All right. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day out there. I enjoy making these videos, and nice to close out these ones that were sort of stuck for various reasons, some of which are stuck at 99.9% and are a little more painful to do. And this one, as a result of an issue with the back end, but that's resolved. I actually submitted a bug report, and it gets fixed. So that's terrific. Have a great day. Be well. Be good to each other. It's rough out there. And hey, go make a web page.